Here's a quick question for you. Would you lay your newborn baby on a dirty floor in a cold room surrounded by unknown germs from who knows where? Exactly. That's why getting ready for your day-old chick is not something you leave to chance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the premium zone for poultry lovers, growers, and hustlers who want results. Today, I'm letting you behind the scene as I prepare for the arrival of my day-old chicks, and trust me, every step counts. Before I even touched the camera, I made sure the poultry house was fully disinfected. Germs, bacteria, mold, all of it had to go. Because once those chicks land, it's game on. There is no time for regrets when lives are on the line. And a quick thing here, no matter how clean the house is, by your attendant or whoever you kept in charge to clean your poultry house for you, if you do not clean that house yourself thoroughly, you are never going to be satisfied. Cleaning the poultry house is a very crucial part of poultry business because once anything goes wrong, you're always going to blame yourself. You're going to always ask yourself, where did I go wrong? Where did it go wrong? That's why even when my attendant clean the poultry house, I take the extra care to make sure that I clean the poultry house myself as well. I also come back to make sure those things are tidy once more. You can never be wrong trying to, repeat these things over and over again. But trust me, Izal, Dettol, detergents, whatever it is you have to use to clean the poultry house, please do it judiciously and intelligently. You don't know what those shavings have been through, especially during rainy season like this. Bacteria are basically partying everywhere, and so I decided to disinfect the wood shaving too. Why? Because if you want healthy birds, you're gonna think ahead. Now this is the pressure washer I'm using to disinfect the wood shaving itself. There are aisles inside the water that I'm spraying on this wood shaving. I'm doing this because I want to disinfect the wood shaving so that when the birds arrive, they will be on a neat wood shaving free from bacteria and other microorganisms. And of course, heating is also a crucial part of the business, which is why after disinfecting the wood shaving, I'm going to install my infrared bulb so that the beds will be very comfortable. Infrared bulb, that's basically like the lifeline of the brooding pen. Heat is life for the chicks. Without it, you're gambling with survival, you're gambling with your money. Get me? Yeah. So if you're watching this as a premium subscriber, know this, you're in the right place. I don't just show you what to do, I mentor you through every single stage of your poultry journey. Whether you're raising 50 or 5,000 birds, I've got mentorship plans to fit your dream and your budget. Your chicks are fragile, but your preparation doesn't have to be. Start right, start strong, and watch your broilers reward you with top performance. Smash that like button, leave your question in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more no-fluff, real-life poultry content. This is your poultry mentor signing off. See you in my next video.